I got you. I got you.
What the fuck is up, nigga? I got that beat on. You gotta record, nigga. I'm going on all fucking night. With this fucking beat. Yo, he said my name. Yeah, I'm fucking nice. And I'm fucking nice. And I'm a dog. Yeah, I'm a ball. With that fucking beat. Yo, I'm trying to speed it up. Yo, what the fuck is up, nigga? I gotta get crunk on this shit. On fucking this. Yo, man, I should have been on the shit a little earlier. Acapella, I fucking record. Damn, nigga.
Respect the
shit, nigga. I come with. I'm trying to go through. I'm trying to be legit.
These
fake niggas gotta get paid.
Paid?
But I'm not coming out the pocket trying to get laid by your bitch. She fucking pretty and she's a red bone. She in the right places. Them fucking titties looking fucking pretty. She ain't got no booty though, but I'm making fatter. But with this dick, she ain't had it there before. Yo, she ain't a hoe. Yo, I like that bitch with a job. Looking fucking pretty lips, all fucking glossy.
Glossy.
That's more damn nuts. Oh, yeah. On the shit. Oh, I'm not a fat boy, but this belly big. Cause that bitch cook for me. And I eat it. Not the spaghetti, nothing red. Yo, they gotta be dead. Not fucking bloody steak. I'm fucking get that fucking bitch. Almost dead. She like that Tuesday. That's what it is though. I put it in her mouth. Into the fucking choke.
Choke?
Yo, throw it up on the track. Bitch, what the fuck is up? And take it back again.
Oh!
Get used to the shit. Just do a little practice and you be on it. Yo, what the fuck is up? I'm trying to slow down, but I really want to get crunk and speed it up. I want to go fast.
Go.
I want to get that cash.
Cash.
I'm on that fucking highway and I'm gonna pass your ass. Bitch, you fucking slow, even in that V8 truck Texas style. I'm about to blow right past you, nigga. I got that fucking cash, nigga. I'm trying to chill though, but I'm real though. Fuck it. It don't matter what the fuck it is, nigga.
Go hard. This going back to Memphis, nigga. This going back to Memphis.
Going back to Memphis, nigga. You know what it is. I pull that cash out. I pull that gas out. I fucking mash on your ass. I put that gas out. In that chamber, nigga, I blow your brains out. Nigga, I'm fucking crunk. Don't give a fuck. Who looking at cameras every fucking where, nigga? You ain't finding me. I ain't on the books.
Nope.
I ain't on the system.
Nope.
I'm fucking through, nigga.
Nope.
You can catch me at the scene with the shit. Fingerprints, whatever, nigga. Eyewitnesses. They fucking gone in about a week wanna find out. Nigga, I'm fucking coming through. Wild out.
Wild out.
Nigga, wildin' out. That's what it is. Fucking out. Damn.
Nigga, fuck it, you rap the whole beat, nigga. That's what you do, nigga. Kill the fucking song, nigga. My nigga, kill the fucking song. And drinking strong, nigga. On Bellevue, you smell me? Holla back, bitch.